Do you know what makes up our human body? Our human body is made up of these elements. By the way, I am Ashley Calbon, BSN1D, and in this video, you will learn about the most common elements of our human body, its importance and functions in our human body. So, are you familiar with this acronym? You have probably encountered these elements in the periodic table. C stands for carbon, H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, and N for nitrogen. And these four elements make up 96% of our human body. Carbon is famous for its definition, which is the main structural backbone because it connects with other elements to build our organs, muscles, and skin. Also, carbon makes up of approximately 18% of the elements in our body. And hydrogen, which makes up of 10% of our human body, is the other half of water, which keeps us hydrated and also helps power our cells. Oxygen, being the main ingredient in water, makes up 65% of our human body, and it also helps create energy in our cells. Our body is also composed of 3% of nitrogen, which is essential in building muscle, and DNA, which is what we need to heal, grow, and repair itself. So to illustrate, this is a human body, and as what we said earlier, a human body is composed of 65% of oxygen, 18% of carbon, 10% of hydrogen, and 3% of nitrogen. And this area here are the other elements of in our human body. So to end our discussion, these four elements, when combined, can form major macromolecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids, which keeps us alive.